Now guys, we are going to study question from July 2018 exam, question 2. Okay, everyone give the heading. July 2018 exam, question 2. Okay, now try to see the scenario. Here this is quite interesting question and more little bit a practical question. Okay, scenario of your vessel, ship, a vessel whose vessel is 100 meter long. Okay, try to see the scenario. What they have given? A vessel is what guys? 100 meter long. Here we require a little bit knowledge of naval architecture also. A vessel is 100 meter long and is trimmed 4 meter at the stern. Okay, means at the back side there is a stern of 4 meter. Okay guys, are you getting my point? And we have a hatch cover of mass 5 ton is to be hauled forward on rollers under the control of 2 chains, one attached to the forward end and one attached at the aft end of the cover. Okay, try to see the scenario here. We have a vessel whose length is how much? 100 meter long. Okay, and is trimmed 4 meter at the stern. Okay guys, try to see the first sentence. Okay, so here I am going to draw the drawing of the question. So this is what our vessel. Okay, it is trimmed 4 meter at the stern. Okay, it means what? What does it mean? Trimmed 4 meter at the stern means what guys? What is the meaning of trimmed 4 meter at the stern? Forward end is 4 meter above the what guys? 4 meter trimmed at the stern means what? Forward end 4 meter above the aft end. Okay, so guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. So this is what our vessel. Very simple drawing guys. Okay, not that much difficult. I studied little bit naval, so I know. If I have not studied naval, then I am not able to understand this question. But coincidentally, I studied naval 1 or 2 years before. So that's why I am able to understand this question. Okay, otherwise it is very difficult for me because the first sentence, a vessel 100 meter long and 4 meter at the stern. What is meant by this? 4 meter at the stern. Okay, but I studied naval, so that's why. And what is meant by that one? So here, from here, I am going to draw one dotted line. Say this is horizontal line, and here also horizontal line. Okay, drawing is not to the scale. Otherwise you will say, sir, how it is? Okay, so this is what? What will this one? What will this distance become, guys? What will this distance become? Okay, this distance will become what? 4 meter. Try to see the point here, everyone. And how much is the length of the vessel? How much is the length of vessel, guys? 100 meter. Okay, on that vessel we have what, guys? Mass is there. This is what a mass? Hatch cover. Okay, so this is what our mass. Okay, try to see the point here, everyone. Okay, everyone try to see the point. So this is what a quite interesting question and little bit practical question also. Okay, so this is what our forward chain. This is what a forward chain. This is what a aft chain. Okay, and what will be the length, guys? What will be the length? Okay, so here I can show the length. Okay, so I have a little space here, so I am going to. So remember, July 2018 exam, question 2. Okay, so what will be the length here? How much is the length? 100 meter. So here I am showing the length. So this is what 100 meter. Okay, so it is like a plane scenario, means like a, we can see it is like a, there is a, means if you observe our plane earlier scenario, means there is a plane. Okay, on that plane there is a one object. It is the same scenario. This is what our angle theta. So same scenario. So here we have what we have? We have what, guys? This is what our angle theta. Okay, what we have? This is what our angle theta. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Now I am going to read the question once again. You got this point here? So we have what? A vessel whose length is how much? 100 meter long. 4 meter. What guys? Trimmed 4 meter at the stern. A hatch cover of mass 5 ton. Okay. So this mass of hatch cover is how much? 5 ton. Okay. So if mass is 5 ton, it means 500 kg. So weight will be what? 500 g. So weight will be what? So or 500. Okay, correct. Okay, good. Sorry, I was wrong. So it will be what guys? So try to see the scenario. So this will be what? So always be careful. Huh? I may do such type of mistake. So this is what? 5000 G. Okay. Now try to see the point here. So this weight is what? Vertically downward. Weight is what guys? Vertically downward. So 5000 G weight will be. Now the next point is what? A hatch cover of mass 5 ton is to be hauled forward. How it is going? Hauled forward on rollers under the control of 2 chains. One attached at the forward end. So this is forward end. And this is what? Our aft end. One attached at the forward end and another attached at the aft end of the cover. Each chains pulls parallel to the deck. Guys, here. That's why this is what? Our deck. Okay. Each chain is parallel to the deck. And frictional resistance to motion. Guys, here they said frictional resistance to motion is 100 Newton per ton. Okay, I will write down that one also. And hatch cover moves with a constant velocity of 1.5 meter. Okay, try to see the point here. So here what we have? So here we have frictional resistance to motion. So that is what we are saying. This is what our FR. Okay. Now here this is what our forward chain. So here there will be a tension. And this tension we will say is as F forward. And this is what a aft chain. So this is what we will say. F aft. Okay. Guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario. So here. So next point is what? How much mass with us here? How much mass guys? 5 ton. Okay. How much mass is what? 5 ton. So 5 ton means what? 5000 kilogram. Okay. Now the next point is what they have said. Most important point. Frictional resistance to motion. Guys, try to see the scenario. Motion is up the plane. Okay. Motion is going up. Frictional resistance to motion of the cover is constant 100 Newton per ton. Okay. 100 Newton per ton. So FR will be equal to what guys? What is the value of FR? 100 Newton per ton. Okay. So for 1 ton it is 100 Newton. So what will be the frictional resistance to the motion? 5 into 100. So it will be what guys? 500 Newton. Everyone got this one? Okay, I am reading once again. Frictional resistance to motion. Guys, try to see the point here. Frictional resistance to motion of the cover is constant 100 Newton per ton. 100 Newton. What guys? 100 Newton per ton. So for 5 ton, what will be the resistance? 500 Newton. Okay. So this resistance and opposite to the motion. Because our hatch cover is, what is the motion of the hatch cover? Hatch cover is going what guys? So earlier question, we have denoted frictional resistance is what? Fr is equal to mu Rn. But there may be in such type of questions, here we may give a resistance to motion in terms of what? 100 Newton per ton like that. Okay, 200 Newton per ton like that. Okay, so here they have given 100 Newton per ton. So instead of calculating Fr is equal to mu Rn, how we got Fr? How we got guys Fr? Okay, they mentioned in the question 100 Newton per ton. Okay, for 1 ton resistance is how much? 100 Newton. So 5 ton is what? 5 into 100 multiplied by 500 Newton. Okay, so on this object, so what is the resistance? Okay, Fr. And here see, though there will be normal reaction, but we don't need normal reaction. What is the purpose of normal reaction? To calculate the frictional force. What is the purpose of normal reaction? Calculate the frictional force. But here how we got the friction force? They mentioned in the question. So no need to draw the Rn here. And here this 500G. How to deal with this 500G? Again we are going to take its 2 component. And how to take the 2 components guys? Sorry, not 500G. 5000G. Okay guys, be careful. Sometimes I may miss 1 0. So this will be what? Okay, guys, try to see this. This must be vertically proper. So this will be what? 5000 G. Okay, guys, carefully try to observe the things here. So for taking components, we are going to form a rectangle like this. Okay, so here we will have a one component is like this, and another component is like this. Okay, this angle will be what? Theta. So this component will be what? 5000 G. What, guys? Sin theta. And this component will be what, everyone? 5000 G. What? Cos theta. Okay, good. And as usual, motion is upward. Okay, motion is upward. So x direction along the motion, and y perpendicular to the, means along the plane in the direction of motion, and y is always perpendicular to the plane. There is one important point they have given in the question. What is the important point they have given in the question? Hatch cover moves at a constant velocity of 1.5 meters per second. So v is what? 1.5 meter per second. And if velocity is constant, here acceleration is 0. And why acceleration is 0? Because our velocity is what, guys? Constant. Okay, that's what we studied. Okay, whenever acceleration is constant, means whenever velocity is constant, then by default acceleration is what? 0. Okay, so guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Okay, so first of all, guys, now next point here. Try to see the next point here, everyone. So here they have given us this theta. This 4 meter is what? Means we can form this right angle triangle like this. This will be what? Our 4 meter. This will be what? Our 100 meter. Try to observe this drawing, guys. And this angle will be what? Our theta. Angle of the plane or alpha. Okay, theta. Okay. So this is what, guys, this 4 meter is what? Our opposite. 100 meter is what? Our hypotenuse. What is the relation between opposite and hypotenuse? What is the relation between opposite and hypotenuse? Sin theta. So, okay, so sin theta is equal to what we got? We got 4 by 100, and we keep it like that because in the calculation we need only sin theta value. Okay, so first of all, guys, we don't calculate theta, guys, and why we are not calculating theta I will let you know while doing the question, means question further. So first of all, guys, try to draw this drawing properly. Okay, after the completion of drawing, show this one also, means this is our current, means our earlier situations, a plane. On that plane there is a mass. The same scenario is here. Okay, you got both the forces, guys. Tension, means here, see, you may say why there is a need of this aft chain. Means it should not get away from that one. Means it is for the supporting. Means it should not go on the deck anywhere. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Suppose this is a deck, guys. This is what our, so this is what our scenario. This is what our scenario, and this is what, suppose mass. This mass should go exactly in the line. So that's why, that's the purpose of aft chain. Forward chain is doing what? What is the forward chain is doing, guys? It is pulling upward. And what is this aft chain is doing? Aft chain is maintaining that line. Okay, otherwise what will happen? Our this hatch cover will, what will happen with this one? It will go, it will move on the deck. Okay, it should move on the deck in a linearly. Okay, so that's the purpose of aft chain. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Any doubt in this discussion? Everyone? No. Complete. It should look like a say. That's the importance of this 4 meter, na? Complete shape means they should understand. You understand the meaning of 4 meter. You have to draw the complete shape, not just this triangle. Not only this one only. You have to draw the complete. Means it looks like you have understood the meaning of 4 meter by star. Okay, it means you studied your naval architecture subjects thoroughly. That is the meaning of this one. Means you are good marine engineer, it means. Now try to see the scenario, what they are asking us in the A part. forward chain force given that aft chain force is 250 Newton. Huh? Okay guys, try to see the point here. So what they are asking us here, in the A part, they are asking us forward chain force. Okay. So in the A part, what they are asking us, F forward. Okay. And what is the value of aft chain force they have given us in the question? Value of aft chain force is how much? F aft will be equal to what? 250 Newton. Okay. F aft is what? 250 Newton. Okay. And how we are going to deal with this scenario? So as usual, so here we don't need to take a y direction, because for y direction, the purpose of taking y direction is to find out the normal reaction. And why we need a normal reaction in earlier question? To find out the friction force. But in this scenario, friction forces we directly got 500 Newton because 100 Newton per ton. So here, so we will start our discussion. Summation of forces in what? X direction equal to 0. Or we will say summation of forces in x direction equal to A, because there is a motion. Okay. So if there is a motion, there is an acceleration. But here, though acceleration is 0, why is it 0 acceleration? Why acceleration is 0 guys? Because our hatch cover is moving with constant velocity, and whenever the velocity is constant, what about acceleration guys? Acceleration is 0. Try to see the point here. So summation of forces in x direction is what guys? So what will be the scenario? F forward, okay. Then what will be the next point? F forward, upward along the plane. Then what will be the next point? Minus F aft. Then next point, what is the next force guys? Okay, try to see the point. Sometimes we may miss 0. We may miss 1 0 because I miss lot of times 1 0. So 5000 G. What guys? Sin theta. Okay. What is the force? Any other force is remaining here? Negative FR. Okay, good. Is there any other? Is there any other force in x direction? Anyone? Okay, only these 4 forces. So equal to what? 0. Try to see the point. And what is our target? We have to find out F forward. So F forward will be equal to what guys? F aft plus 5000 G sin theta plus FR. Okay guys, are you getting my point? So try to see the scenario. So F forward, F aft is how much? 250 plus 5000 into G 9.81 sin theta. What is the value of sin theta guys? So we got what is the value of sin theta we got guys? How much we got? 4 by 100. So instead of sin theta, sometimes some people may put sin theta is equal to what they may put? Sin of 4 by 100. Guys, is it wrong? It is wrong. We got the value of sin theta 4 by 100 means sin theta is equal to what guys? 4 by 100. Okay. So instead of sin theta, what I am going to put? 4 by 100 plus FR. What is the value of FR guys? Resistance. How much? 500 Newton. Okay. So everyone please do the calculation and we will get force in the forward chain. So please everyone do the because we don't want, see why we are doing like that, because we don't want calculation. We need a directly sin theta na, and by using this diagram, we got the sin theta directly. So why no need, we don't need to do calculation for theta. Why do waste our time? Yes, we can use directly sin theta na here. Yes, we don't need to. No. Yes, means we don't need a component in this y direction here. We need a component everything in x direction. So no need of this cos theta thing. We don't need anything in y direction. We need everything in x direction only. So we need only value of sin theta. We don't need a value of cos theta. So no need to calculate theta. So we can directly use value of sin theta here. Okay, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. So please everyone do the calculation here. So 250 plus 5000 multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 4 by 100 plus 500. How much we are getting, guys? 2712 Newton. Okay guys, so this is what our answer of A part, F forward. Okay. Now what they are asking us in the B part, guys? Try to observe the B part. B part is again a simple one, guys, not that much difficult. So what they are asking us in the B part, everyone, please read the B part carefully. Everyone, what they are asking us in the B part? Power required at the, guys, see the power required at the forward chain when the force is value calculated in 2A above. Okay, means we have to find out in B part, we have to find out power in forward chain force, means how much power is there in forward chain force. And what is the power, guys? I have given you expression of power. Power means force into velocity. So in B part we have to find out power forward, how much power is in forward chain. That is what our target. Okay, try to see the scenario here. What is our target in B part? We have to find out what power in forward chain and how to get the power in forward chain. Power, how to get the power in forward chain, guys? Force into power means what? Force into velocity. That's what we studied, guys. Just go through the theory, huh, everyone. Force into distance means work, but here power, na. So we have forward multiplied by velocity, and how much velocity they have given? So we got 2712. 2712. Velocity is how much, guys? How much velocity they have given? 1.5. Okay, are you getting my point? So in this way we will get a power forward. So how much power forward, guys? Everyone please do the calculation. 4068 unit. What is the unit of power? Watt. Very good. Okay. Anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Very simple, huh, guys? Only this understanding of this question is difficult. Otherwise this question is very, very easy. The only twist in this question, I feel only one twist. 4 meter by star. Okay. That is the only twist. Otherwise everything is simple. Means length, everything is simple. Okay. Moving up. And then another twist is what? How to calculate resistance force. Huh? Such type of scenario you are learning first time. Huh? Means earlier for resistance, frictional resistance is what? Fr is equal to mu Rn. But sometimes what they may give? 100 Newton per ton. Like that they may give. Okay. So please everyone write down first of all A part and after that B part. Okay. Please everyone. Now try to see the C point, what they are asking us in the C point. Time taken, guys, try to see the point. Huh? C point is again quite interesting. Time taken to bring the cover to rest. Okay, means our, see the point here. Huh? So here what they are asking, time taken, what? Time taken to bring the cover to rest. Okay, so initial velocity of cover is how much? Initial velocity of cover is how much, guys? 1 point, means initially cover is moving with which velocity? 1.5 meter per second. Okay, guys. So what they are asking us in the B part, C part? In the C part they are asking us time. Okay. For what purpose time? Try to see the point here. The time taken to bring the cover to the rest. Okay. So initial velocity is what? 1.5 meter per second. And then final velocity will become what? At the end, finally cover will become what? Rest. What is the meaning of rest? Velocity will become what, guys? 0 meter per second. So in how much time cover from 1.5 meter per second will coming to the 0 meter per second? That is what they are asking. And then try to see the scenario. If the half force, guys, try to see the English. Sometimes those who are not good in English, for them it is maybe confusing. Increases to, guys, they have not said increases by. What they are saying? if the aft force increases to 2.5 kilonewton, means our earlier aft force is how much? In A part, our aft force is how much? 2.250 Newton. Okay. But in this scenario, increases to, not increases by. Increases to, it means our new aft force will become, means from 250 Newton, it is going to how much, guys? Increases to 2.5 kilonewton. And what is the meaning of 2.5 kilonewton? It means 2500 Newton. Okay. This is what our new aft force. Okay. Try to see the scenario. And forward force reduces to. Okay. Means reduces to, not reduces by. Okay. Reduces to means what? Our new forward force will become. F forward will become how much, guys? 100 Newton. Okay. So that is what they have given us in the question. So our target is what? We have to find out time. Okay. So first of all, what we are going to do? We are going to do calculate the acceleration. Okay. Because here velocity is not constant in this C part, because from 1.5 meter to 0 meter per second we are coming. Okay. So again we are going to apply what we are going to do, guys? What we are going to do here? We are going to do summation of forces in what? X direction equal to what? 0? No, it is not a 0 here. Why it is not 0? Because here velocity is not constant. From 1.5 to we are coming to 0. Okay. So there will be what, guys? Mass into acceleration. Okay. So first of all, what, guys? Forces in F forward. Okay. Try to see the scenario. F forward. Then what will be the next point, everyone? F forward minus Fr. Then minus 5000 G sin theta minus F aft. Okay, opposite to the motion, everyone. Anything? Okay, only these four forces is equal to what, guys? 5000 into A. Okay. So what will be the expression for A? What is the expression for acceleration? So acceleration will become F forward minus Fr. Okay. Minus 5000 G. Guys, be careful. We may miss any 0 from into sin theta minus F aft divided by what, guys? Divided by what? 5000. So what will be the acceleration? So what will be the acceleration, guys? Please do the calculation, everyone. Okay, first of all, I am going to put the values also. Okay, what is the value of forward? 100. Fr is how much, guys? Same. Fr will not change. Minus 500. 5000 multiplied by 9.81. What is the value of sin theta? I am going to put directly 4 by 100. And F aft is how much, guys? 2500 divided by 5000. Okay. Everyone, please do the calculation for acceleration. 100 minus 500 minus 5000. Don't miss any 0. Multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 4 divided by 100 minus 2500 divided by what, guys? Divided by what? 5000. So what is the value of acceleration everyone getting? Can anyone tell me? Yes, negative 0.9724. Unit is what? Meter per second square. Very good. So always be careful with unit. Now, guys, my important question for all of you. What is my important question for all of you, guys? The important question is what? Why we are getting acceleration negative? Why we are getting acceleration negative? What is the meaning of if you are getting acceleration? In our theory we studied what is the meaning of negative acceleration. It means deacceleration. Why we are getting negative acceleration, guys? Because here velocity is decreasing, and whenever velocity is decreasing, it means retardation or deacceleration. So that's why our acceleration we are getting negative. So don't worry about this one. Means if the velocity is decreasing, how to check your answers, guys? Sometimes by observing the things, we may come to know that our answer is correct or wrong. Okay, guys, are getting a point? So here velocity is decreasing. Initial velocity 1.5, final velocity is 0 because object is coming to rest. So that's why what will be the scenario is happen? what will be the scenario will happen? Our acceleration will come negative. And what is the basic definition of acceleration I have given to you? V minus u by t. So time will be equal to what, guys? What will be the time? V minus u by a. So what is the velocity? Final velocity 0. Initial velocity 1.5. Okay, and acceleration minus 0.9724. Please everyone do the calculation and tell me the value of time. Minus minus will cancel each other, guys, and at the end time we will get positive. 1.5 divided by what, guys? 0.972. 1 point how much? 1.5426 second. Okay, in this much time our cover will come to the rest. Okay, that is what they are asking us in the C part. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario. Very simple discussion. Please everyone.